Just wanted to show you today one of the few things that's going on with the Softank that's a bit of a negative. You can see right now it's 157 Fahrenheit, which is pretty hot. But I noticed the other day when I was measuring the temperature of the pipe going into the hot water heater from the tank here, it wasn't all that warm. So I took a look, and they've got this dip tube in here that's a few inches long. And you can actually look down in there to see the level of the water. Well, it was about almost a foot below the dip tube here. So my upper coil that's heating the water was actually not getting any hot water because the coil wasn't in the hot water. So I got this thing I use for the aquarium, what you use to clean the bottom of your aquarium. You can stick it in a 3/4 inch dip tube there, and I'll show you how to fill this guy up. So essentially you can use a garden hose, or in my case I just use a watering can, and you can fill it right in there and just fill up the tank until your level comes up to just under the dip tube. And I've had the tank going for a few months now, and because the top of the tank isn't sealed perfectly, the steam tends to evaporate a little bit around the outsides of the tank. I'll show you where that is. Get that water in there. Okay. So essentially, if you don't cut this top piece of insulation properly, you can see where there's a few kind of gaps where you can almost stick your finger through. And also this top piece here isn't perfect. You know, there's some spots where it doesn't come all the way through. You're going to get some steam vapor coming up slowly from the cracks in the tank there. So I'm going to basically cut a new sheet of this and make it a lot tighter, and also get a new seal for the top here that basically goes all the way down, that you can wrap down into the tank. So just wanted to point out that if you do have this Softank, and it's an economical way to go, that you do check this water level every couple of months to make sure that it's all the way up, and then you'll never run out of hot water, even though your tank's really hot. If your level's too low, you won't get any hot water to your hot water tank because the copper coil on the top is out of the water. So just be aware of that. Just to give you an idea how low the tank was, I put in about 8 of these, and these have to be a gallon and a half at least, so the tank was down quite a bit. So if you do have an unpressurized tank where the water just sits in there like this one, that's not sealed 100%, you're going to lose some of the liquid that's in your big storage tank. So always want to make sure that the level in the tank is up at least every couple of months or so, and then you'll be good.